Hey everyone, welcome back to Keto Asian Flavors. This is another Keto on the Go video to show you my keto meal prep for work. As a flight attendant, it can be challenging to stay keto focused sometimes, but meal prepping ahead will always help stay on track. This is cauliflower fried rice with shrimp and keto Chinese sausages. The recipe for the sausages is linked in the description box. Make it ahead and freeze it for later use. For this flight, I had the cauliflower fried rice with Kabocha squash. To learn more about this low-carb, keto-friendly squash, check out my Kabocha squash kickbite recipe. After a long day of flying, I'm excited for dinner. Tonight, I will be having kelp noodle soup with shrimp and homemade beef balls. I made a quick broth using a soup stock pack from the Korean grocery store. Ingredients are just anchovy, kelp, shiitake mushrooms, and shrimp. I also added some sea salt. I had already prepped the kelp noodles and toppings at home and stored it in this mini crock-pot without the broth. For the broth, I stored it separately in the thermos to keep it hot just in case I want to eat it in flight. Doing this also prevents the broth from leaking since the crock-pot is not leak-proof. This travel-sized mini crock-pot comes with an inner lid, but if it's not stored upright, the broth will spill. There's an outlet that you can plug in to warm your food. In about 30 minutes, the keto noodle soup is ready to eat. If you would like the recipe for the kelp noodles, it will be linked in the description box below as well. Eating keto on the go have never looked so good. This is one of my favorite meals to pack. I love this next hotel. The bed is so comfortable and there's a microwave. That's all I need. This hotel also has a crew room for all airline staff and fresh brewed coffee. This is day 3 and I still have all this food left. I did go to the restaurant last night with the crew and had steak and vegetables for dinner. For lunch, I warmed up some pulled pork and coleslaw in my mini Hot Logic. For dinner, I had some bacon slices and avocado to start, and then a salad and a bunless burger. Thank you for watching everyone. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more keto on the go ideas. Bye for now.